Hello guys, and welcome to our cryptography YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about the Pepe wallet. They'll be giving us some airdrops coming up soon. So guys, just wait, let me log into this app. Sorry, I'm having a cough. You just hold on while this loads. Alright guys, so we are in. So they said I'm just gonna head over to their social Twitter. And this tweet happened about 2 hours ago. So it will be listed on the 27th of this month, as in a couple of days, and listing on p1.net 200% bonus or 50% APY that you can download. The link will be down in the description. Sorry, I'm not doing this. The link will be down in the description. Their last post was 25th May. So downloading the wallet alone gives you 6,000 PWAR and it's valued at $13. So if you're looking for a way to make free money, I suggest using the link in the description, because you'll be getting a pay $13 and 6,000 PWAR, equivalent to 6,000 PWAR. So that'll be it for you guys. See you in my next video.